Hey guys, just coming to you with another pool project. Have designed behind a custom home down in Estero, and just wanted to show you a couple of things. This is the home plan that I designed for the customers. It is on a lake down in Estero, in a gated subdivision there. And the pool that I designed fits nicely behind the home. You can see on the plan where the lanai is. It has like an extended lanai that goes down to the office and the pool bath and the bedroom too. So that all has access to the outside. The views are spectacular over the lake and also the pool deck. So I'll do a little on-site video for you here. After this section of the video is done, we'll go down to the job site and show you how we're doing there. But I have my original drawings are all done pencil and paper. I'm old school that way, and it just allows me to see the entire project in my mind before I lay it out on paper. So I put a lot of thought and effort into that, and I'm able to draw this by hand, old school, and then I ship it off to the CAD guys, and they do a nice job interpreting my graphics. But I have a nice pool spa combo. It has a sun shelf in there, and the pool is pushed towards the outside of the deck area, so we have plenty of room on this side. Actually, on each end, it's an oversized pool deck, so they can put furniture and various other things out there and enjoy the outdoor living. It will have a picture window cage where the pool area is, so we're spanning, I think, 38 feet of area with just screen and no obstructions. And that will complement the lanai that I designed, where I have two bearing points that are pretty far apart. So when you're looking through the sliding glass doors, you're looking through that section that's open that overlooks the pool. You have a nice straight shot right out into the lake. With that, this particular design has a spillover spa. So the spa is sticking up out of the deck, and it will be tiled along the top and the sides. All four sides will have water flowing over it when the pool's operational. And you can see the way that I designed the structural components of the pool. It creates a little trough all the way around the three sides, the back and the two sides, and the light, then the return down in the bottom there. And then on the outside wall, this is the concrete retaining wall that I have designed here, and the screen cage will actually sit on that and go right past the spa. And on this side is the pool deck pavers over there. So this is a really cool design. I spent a lot of time listening to the customers, finding out what their needs were and their lifestyle, and so they're thrilled with this proposal that I did for them for their design. And then this is the AutoCAD version of the plan. This is what gets submitted to the building department and also the engineer who does the fluid mechanics and also does the structural components for the walls. So I have two lighted bubbler niches in the sun shelf, so at nighttime, if the pool pump's running, you can turn the lights on for the bubbler niches, and the light that matches the color of whatever scheme you have going on inside of the pool will actually go through the bubbler niches and shoot up in the air a foot or so before it mushrooms out and back down to the water. So those are really cool features. Can't wait to show you those in operation. Those are a Pentair product. I really like the Pentair products. I put them on all of my pools, and they have some really cool cutting edge features. So nice oversized spa and a really nice pool deck design. So let's go to the job site and check it out. All right, we got Prestige Gunite on site today. Time to shoot the pool. Pretty cool stuff. Double steel on the back wall. These guys really do a nice job. So I'll be out here a number of hours. This particular design you saw on the plan has a sun shelf in this area right here. Those are my lighted bubbler niches down in that area. Swimming pool on that side. That's a very thick wall that the screen cage sits on. We'll have a panoramic view cage sitting on there. And then over here I designed the spa, which is a spillover spa. And they will shoot that in a couple of different sections here. I'll show you in a minute. So this is the spa design. I have a spillover spa design that I put here. You can see down in this area, right here is a trough. They've already shot this portion of it, and they're now finishing up the form work so that they can shoot from the inside. And the water will actually come over the top of the wall here. That'll be tiled, and this will all be tiled here. The water will drip down into that trough. We'll have deck coping right here, and it's going to leave about an 8-inch opening here for the water to go through, and the water will travel back through this trough along this side here, and then back over into the pool area over there. You can see the rest of it. Really nice work. All right, a little bit more information about the pool. People may want to know how they set everything up and get the walls so straight. So what you can see right here in this picture, in this video, this is a stainless steel wire, and it's kind of like a guitar string. It's very taut, and the carpenters set these lines up off of the formwork, and when they're spraying the concrete in the air, that's what they're troweling to. You can see there's one at the bottom, one in the middle, and one at the top, and those lines are plumbed up before the pool is shot, and then the material will actually spray through the line, and the guys will trowel up, and that keeps the edge of the pool in line nice and straight, and allows them to use that as a guide. And then all of these steps are actually hand troweled. They use these little tools like this to go in and clean out the corners and get them nice and straight. The plaster guys will come in and clean all this up and then put their material over top. There is a bench that they still have to put in down at the end. They ran out of daylight the other day, but they will put the bench in at the end that comes around down where the sun shelf is, and that will be plastered and made part of the pool when they come back to shoot the retaining wall. So hope that helps clear up any confusion there is about how to make pool line straight. That's the Gunite truck, Prestige. They do all of our pools. Excellent work. That has all the cement in it. It's pre-mixed. Do that chute. Ends up in the little hopper. The little hopper pushes it through this hose. And then down to the other end where it shoots out with the air. There you have it. You can see on the outside of my design, there is a retaining wall that goes in, that forms up the outside of the pool deck. That will be shot as well by the same company. It's a nice, neat job, very secure. It reduces the amount of cracking in the pool retaining wall. Excuse me. And then the steps and landing will be in this area right here. And that'll be the view.